Hello everyone, it's Dan from Thomas Road Support. In this video I'm going to continue to look at the custom blocks within Wingman for WordPress. So to start with, I'm going to create a fresh page so we can start building using our custom blocks. I'll just give it a title of More Blocks. As usual, we want to select the page builder template as we are working with Elementor. I'll just quickly publish the page and now we can begin. Okay, so in the previous video we looked at the first 4 blocks here. We're going to continue with the rest of them now. So to start with, I'll pop the single testimonial into the page. Do that here. Now, you can add testimonials fairly easily. This one is just a single testimonial, so we only need to worry about adding the content to one. The first thing you need to add is the image, which obviously should be your user's profile picture or whatever you choose. Now it's important to choose a square image here, as it looks best in the circle, as you can see. Anything else may look a little distorted, so be sure to select something with that aspect ratio. Next up, we can add the content. As you can see, it appears in large text next to them. So this will be obviously the glowing review your company's had. And then next up, we'll pop the author in, which will be the name for the person that's left them. There we go. Really simple, very effective. And obviously you can put this into a smaller column if you wish. So let's say, for instance, if you wanted to have this in half, so we can do so. And there you go. Moving on, we've got the graphic tabs. So I'll just pop this into the page here. And we'll start by adding a few items here. I'll just give this one tab number 1. I'll just go ahead and grab some random text for the content. And just pretty much select any image, will be fine. So you can see there, the idea with these in this particular layout is we've got the image to the left and the content to the right. As we duplicate the tabs, I'll just quickly swap the image so you can see more of the effect. You can see we've now got both tabs present and we can switch between them and have the image change. So it's perfect if you're trying to show off different images with a decent description and have people scroll through them like this. In the other layout you can see we've got numbers added. So if you prefer just to make things a little bit easier for people to understand, you can have them there. And really you can then go on to add as many of these as you wish. As you can see. So it's a very flexible little area and certainly looks the part. Moving on. We'll go for the pricing table. I'm going to have 3 of these, which would be quite a common layout, I suppose. So at the moment we've got one column. I'm going to add a couple more, so we've now got a 3-column area. Now in the beginning you'll see some basic content added, which we can change. So I can put in Pro, we can pop in whatever price we want. You can pop in the text below to kind of qualify that price, as well as the descriptive title here. Then in the details area, you can add various details by simply clicking in here. You can pop in whatever text you like. So I can put in, say, detail 2, detail 3, and so on. So you can list basically each feature of this particular table. And then below that we've got the pricing table button, which is where you can set up the button here, as well as the text and the style that you want to use. Now if I just clone this, you can see at the top here we've got different skins available. So you can simply select light and dark, which is perfect for highlighting particular pricing tables that you want to. So for instance, a popular example would be something like this. So you can have the main featured one dark, so it sticks out a little bit more. Next up we've got the client posts. Now this will simply display a feed of your latest client items that you've added under the client post type in your admin. If I drop this in, you can see we can also choose how many we want to display. Currently got that set to 4. If you want to, you can choose a specific category of clients if you wish. And obviously you've got different different layouts as well. So currently we're looking at the small logo type. If we wanted to change that up, we can have these appear a little bit larger. It's a very simple little block, but it certainly looks the part. Now we're moving on to the blog posts block. I will just pop this in here. And as you can see again, this just pops in a simple feed, ready to go, of all your latest blog items. And same for the team posts. We'll just drop one of those into the page. As you can see, it's just showing the latest 3 we've got here. If you wanted to show more, simply pop your number into the number of posts you want to display, and away you go. Okay, I think that's it for this video. We'll cover the final 4 in one more video. I hope this has been useful. If you've got any problems, do come see me over at support. Other than that, thanks for watching.